why, guys? There's a train here. Because the train is here. In Shaplo. That's right. That was cursed. That was cursed bad, huh? So yeah. That was the train. That was cool. Did you notice? See it? Look at that. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Look. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Kansas City South 10, huh? Did you see it? Take a picture, Mom. Take a picture.
Take a picture?
Yeah.
You want to see it? Taking a picture of it?
Yeah. Do you see it?
Take a picture. Cool. He's just gonna sit there.
Yep.
Oh, see, look at he's putting his lights on. He's waving. See, he's waving hi.
Hi.
Say hi. Wave hi.
Hi.
There you go.
Thank you. Car honk.
Do you want me to honk it?
Yeah.
Cool.
That's cool. Yeah.
There you go. You got the whole experience. There you go.
Yep.
That was a crazy
Because the
trip.
train is here, huh? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and goodbye.